interesting facts about ladybugs. Are you ready? There are about 5,000 species of ladybugs in the world. Depending on the species, they can be yellow, orange, brown, or red with black, white, or red spots, stripes, or no markings at all. Ladybugs live for up to a year. Ladybugs are insects, so they have 6 legs. Ladybugs play dead when they see predators. That's funny. They eat aphids and other plant-eating pests. That's why farmers love them. Ladybugs can eat up to 5,000 bugs in their lifetime. They are most active from spring until fall. The spots on a ladybug's shell warn predators that they taste horrible. Many cultures consider ladybugs good luck, and so you should never kill a ladybug. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye from me now.